Hi, Steve here from cmotion with a short introduction video into creating lens data for your compact LCS system using cworld. Now please be advised that you will need a compact LCS lens data license key for each compact hand unit, and this will need to be activated using cworld before you can start creating and saving your lens data. For more information about this, please contact sales@cmotion.eu. Now set your system up in the usual way, not forgetting to assign and calibrate your motors. Now you can connect cworld to the end motor using cable LCB7. Now this will provide power from the system to your cworld device. You can then join the cworld Wi-Fi network with your smart device, open up the main applications page and then select the C-Lens database on this page. Now this app allows you to manage your lens databases and create or edit lens files. And for this demonstration I'll be creating a new lens file for a Cooke x2 anamorphic 75mm. I start the process by simply clicking here, Create Lens. I can use the Lens Assistant and create a new lens. Now I just need to complete the basic information on this page, such as the manufacturer, the name, the serial number, the owner, the author, and any notes that you want to save with the lens. Simply next step to continue. Now here I'm going to put information about the lens, such as the unit. So mine is an imperial lens. It has a variable iris, but it has a maximum aperture of t2. It has a fixed focal length, but it's 75mm, not 25, so just change that here. Then press Next. Now if you haven't already configured your motors correctly, you can do this from this link here to the settings page, but if you're happy with everything, simply click Next. Now on the right hand side we have the motor position indicated on a graph here, and on the left hand side we have recommended or suggested values. Now to start the process we need to start with infinity. So my lens is now of infinity. Simply select the infinity value and this will now appear on the right hand side. Next value I have is 60 feet. Once we're aligned, simply select 60. Next one is 30 and the value appears for you here. Now if the value doesn't appear as recommended on the side here, we do have a manual input field where you can type in any value and simply press the Add button. If you need to delete a value, simply move the motor position to that value. This will turn green and a cross will appear, so we can click here to delete that value, and I can simply add this back in on the left hand side. Then we will need to complete the full focus range, coming in with the next value at 20 and so on. Now we're coming round to the last two values, 2'9", and the final value 2'6". Once completed, simply press Next. Now we're going to start setting up the iris scale. Again we're starting with the iris closed, so the furthest distance, so we have 22, and the scale goes up in thirds, so we move to the next value, so 16 2/3, 16 1/3, followed by 16, and so on through the whole scale of the iris. Okay, now we're coming up to the last two values on the scale, so it's a T2, this is my last value. Simply select Next, then we can save and load lens. Now this will open up an animated depiction of the lens, give me my focus information here and my iris information. So this is all the data that you've now created. This information is displayed on your smart device, but it also be displayed automatically on your compact LCS hand unit. However, to save it to the hand unit we need to go back a page to Menu, open up C-Lens database, identify your lens, the anamorphic, send the lens to your L-bus device, and there's my hand unit. That data is now being transferred and saved on the internal memory of my hand unit, so next time I'll be able to load that data without the need of cworld. Thanks for watching.